Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to turn on and off Smart Shuffle in Spotify permanently. Alright, first things first, head over to your Play Store, type in Spotify, make sure Spotify is updated to the latest version. Once done, open it up. So now what you want to do is head into your playlist, and then here I've got Smart Shuffle enabled. You need to have a premium version of Spotify for this to work. So you simply just click on the Smart Shuffle there, just like that, and it is removed. And to turn it back on, just simply click onto it again, and just like that, Smart Shuffle is turned back on, but we want to keep this off. So click it, yep, now it's off. Okay, thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.